In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your referral link in Airtable. Referral Sharing 2026. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. This is the home base for everything we'll do today. If you're already signed in, Airtable may take you straight to your workspace. If not, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and log into your Airtable account. Use your usual credentials and, as always, keep them secure. If you use single sign-on with a provider like Google or Microsoft, you can choose that to get in quickly. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. Think of this as your command center. Your workspaces and bases live here, and it's where you can access account settings. Look toward the top right corner of the page to find your profile icon. It might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see it right away, try maximizing your window or reducing your browser zoom just a bit. Click that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to helpful account options and settings you'll use from time to time. From the drop-down, click Account. This takes you to your account settings page, where you can manage personal details, notifications, and, what we need today, referrals. On the account page, find and select Referrals and Credits. This section is dedicated to Airtable's referral program and shows your current credit balance, your personal referral link, and sharing options. Here's how it works. Airtable offers credit for each person you refer who signs up and verifies their email. Those credits can be redeemed to upgrade a workspace to a team plan. Referrals are separate from collaboration. Sharing your referral link does not invite anyone into your workspace or share your content. If you want to collaborate with someone, you'd add them as a collaborator in a base or workspace. You can still receive credit when collaborators sign up and verify their email, but that's a different action than sharing a referral link. To share your referral link, copy the link shown in this section and share it wherever you normally communicate. Airtable also provides quick share buttons for platforms like Facebook and X if you prefer those. There's also an option to email an invite directly from this page. Type the recipient's email address, add a brief message if you'd like, and then select Send Invite. A quick tip: it helps to mention that they should sign up and verify their email so the credit is applied. That's it. You've navigated to your account settings, opened referrals and credits, and shared your referral link using the built-in options. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.